Well, welcome back, YouTubers and toy train buffs and toy buffs, to another toy video here on my channel. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm getting ready to sell this little gem, and I wanted to test it, make sure it works. This is from Marx, and it is one of two basic variations of their Moon Scout helicopters. I have another video which I posted not too long ago on the battery operated Moon Scout, and this one is the wind-up Moon Scout. It's a larger version, all Tin-Litho of course. Wind-up key is built into the fuselage, and it's a little cranky. I gave it a shot of WD-40, and it works better than it did prior to me doing that. But it does work. It's a very simple toy from, I believe, early to mid 1960s. And let's give this a run. Now, Moon Scout helicopter. It's it is a little funny, isn't it? I think we all know that unlike Mars, which now has the the helicopter operating on it, there is no atmosphere on the moon to allow helicopters to operate on it. So, however, it's a nice little piece of fantasy work. Look at the astronauts. Let's see if I can get closer. Inside the helicopter, Tin-Litho, they're all in their astronaut suits. Like I said, nice little piece of fantasy. It's cranky, like me. And this space here is just a little bit too small for this to operate. I have to get it on here just right for it to do everything it's designed to do. And what is it designed to do? Simply put, it goes around in a counterclockwise circle. But it doesn't make a nice smooth arc. What it does, it goes straight, then makes a slight turn to the left, goes straight again, makes a slight turn to the left, and so on and so forth until it completes the circle. I've been out here now for the last, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes, trying to make this thing run on this layout board like it's designed to. Obviously, you notice the inner loop of track is off. I had to take that off anyway. I'm replacing the switches that were on here. They were unsatisfactory, and that is for an update on the layout. Future update on the layout. And we'll talk about that when I do that video. Whenever that'll be. Alright, let's see this thing run. I'm going to try not to bump into the camera. It's on the tripod. All right. Not a lot of running time in it anymore. Maybe when it was new, it ran longer, but it's pretty much what you get. Alright, I'm going to pan a little here, and alright, to see if I can just get more of this area here, and we'll give it another run. Marx Moon Scout helicopter, proudly brought to you by NASA. Okay, don't want to over tighten it. Hope I didn't do that. All right. that was a good run. I like that one. Let's do it one more time. I'm pushing my luck. But that was a good run. Now you notice, okay, maybe you don't, these rotors go up more. When I was first testing this out, I put these rotors in front and this in back. But what was happening, these rotors were hitting this seam here on the fuselage. So, swap positions, and with these rotors being up more, tilted up more, they avoid hitting the seam in the fuselage. Alright, so as it taxis into its hangar, fantasy hangar. I don't really have one here. All right. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. If you like my channel, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, comment if you want to. And until next time, tschüss, adieu, auf Wiedersehen, bye y'all.